Are you tired of eating the same cold and boring food?
Hello! Now with the new Poven, you can eat your food everywhere you want. It's amazing!
This is Poven. It's amazing. You just need to press on the buttons and buy solar energy. It will heat your food instantly. This is how Poven works. You need to press on each button one time, and after, your food will be hot. Oh, it's hot.
So tasty.
Poven uses a brand new solar panel technology and modern microwave system. This product will revolutionize the way we heat up our food.
Hi! As a doctor, I recommend you the Poven. Hi! As a dentist, I recommend you the Poven. It's good for your teeth.
As a professional model, I really recommend Poven. I can feed my kids in no time. Incredible!
Hi! As a scientist, I recommend you the Poven.
The cost of the Poven is $19.99. And if you call in the next 2 minutes, you'll get it free. Don't forget to call to the Poven company at 1-800-124567. If you want to buy the Poven, you need to...
Disgusting.